Hello class, this is a continuation on solving simultaneous equations with word problems, so let's go straight into this one. Goannas are large four-legged lizards, and emus are large two-legged flightless birds. In an enclosure, a person counted a total of 30 heads and 86 legs. How many of each animal are there? And we're going to assume that in this enclosure, that there are only goannas and emus. So once again for this, we're going to state our variables. For this, just to keep it easy, we're going to say x is the goannas, and we'll let y equal the emus. Emus. Now, it doesn't feel like there's much information to go by, but really the two numbers that we're going to be working with here are the heads and the legs. Now, I hope it's rather obvious that goannas and emus each only have one head. So if there are a total of 30 heads in the enclosure, the heads of the goannas plus all the heads of the emus must add up to 30 total heads. That will be our equation 1. For our equation 2, it's this piece of information. It says four-legged lizards and two-legged flightless birds. So now if we're talking about the number of legs of goannas, we can say now that for each goanna, x, there are 4 legs. Now if we add on for each emu has 2 legs. And these, so the 4 lots of goanna legs and the 2 lots of emu legs must add up to 86 legs in total. That there is our equation 2. Now, as we've seen in worded problems, this is perhaps the harder portion of solving this problem. From this point, you can now solve this using either elimination or substitution. For this, I'm going to be doing a substitution because I can easily arrange this one here. So equation 1, I'm going to rearrange this to become y equals 30 minus x. So that is my equation 1. And I'm now going to substitute y equals this into this position here. So writing that in, sub into equation 2. And I'll do this using color coding. Let's move this to the other side, actually. Oops. Move this to the other side. It becomes 4x plus 2. And now take a look. I'm going to substitute all of this into this equation. 30 minus x equals 86. So take a look where y once was. It is now 30 minus x. Now from this point, we just expand this and solve this as an equation. We get 4x plus 60 minus 2x equals 86. The 4x and the negative 2x combined, we get 2x plus 60 equals 86. That is now going to be continued here. So let's just quickly copy this up top. And now we're going to solve this rather simply. Subtract 60 from both sides. 86 minus 60 is 26. And then dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 13. So there are 13 goannas in this enclosure, which now I'm going to take this value and substitute this once again into my equation 1. So this one here, or even this one here. So we go y equals 30 minus 13. Just making sure we're following. This 13 is now going here, which will give us y equals 30 minus 13 is 17. And there we go. So there are 13 goannas and 17 emus. And that's how we solve this problem. So I hope that's giving you an insight into this. I'll see you in the next video where we take on our final problem. Hope to see you then, and best of luck.